Okay, all flight controllers, go for landing. Retro.
Go.
Fido.
Go.
Guidance.
Go.
Control.
Go.
Telcom.
Go.
GNC.
Go.
Ecom.
Go.
Surgeon.
Go.
Capcom, we're go for landing.
Eagle, Houston, you're go for landing, over. Roger, understand, go for landing, 3,000 feet. Copy. Alarm. 1201. 1201. Roger, 1201.
1201 alarm.
Same type, we're go, flight.
Okay, we're go.
We're go, same type, we're go.
Flight Fido right on, real good.
2,000 feet, 2,000 feet, into the ag, 47 degrees. Roger. 47
How's our
degrees.
margin looking, Bob?
It looks okay. We're
Okay.
about 4.5.
Roger.
Eagle looking great, you're go.
Altitude update in the X, looks good.
Roger. Okay, Bob, I'll be standing by for your call out shortly.
3.5 down, 220 feet. 13 forward. 11 forward, coming down nicely, 200 feet. 4.5 down, 5.5 down. 160, 6.5 down, 5.5 down. 9 forward.
Low level? Low level.
Good. 120 feet. 100 feet, 3.5 down, 9 forward. 5%. 185. Okay, 75 feet. That's looking
About
good, down
60.
a half.
Roger.
6 forward.
60 seconds.
60 seconds. Lights on. 6. Down 2.5. Forward. Forward. That's 40 feet down, 2.5. Picking up some dust. 30 feet, 2.5 down. Straight shadow.
Stand by for 30.
4 forward. 4 forward. Drift into the right a little.
30 seconds.
1.5. 30 seconds. Forward. Just. Good. Okay. Contact light. Okay, engine stop. ACA at a descent. Mode control both auto. Descent engine command override off. Engine arm off. 413 is in.
We've had shutdown.
We copy you down, Eagle.
Okay, everybody, T1, stand by for T1.
Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed. Roger, Tranquility. We copy you on the ground. You got a bunch of guys about to turn blue. We're breathing again. Thanks a lot. Thank you. You're looking good here.